CloudNC are very, very different. They offer a subcontracting solution that is different to any company. Now I'm going to speak to Paul. Now Paul's been working with CloudNC for over 3 months and for a long time to come, talking about the lean efficiencies. But Paul, can you tell me a little bit about your background, but also your relationship with CloudNC?
My background is I was involved with aerospace for 33 years, a major jet engine manufacturer. And during that time, I had the opportunity to work in Japan with the Toyota production guys, studied with them for over 10 years. And that's what I did for the company that I worked with before, going to suppliers and helping them to take the waste out of their process.
And when you look at the CloudNC, you know, these guys are building a bit of a blueprint for the future in reference to offering a solution to companies looking to outsource. So what do you feel about the company itself?
Well, I didn't know what to expect, to tell you the truth, when I first came here. I had talked on the phone with several individuals, and it sounded like an interesting opportunity. So the first time I came over in July, I was very impressed. The first time I've ever been to a company that totally shut down manufacturing for an entire week. Every employee participated in a Kaizen team. We had 6 teams for a whole week, and we focused on different aspects of the business to try to identify the opportunities to eliminate waste. What that does to the company like CloudNC is it helps them get their product to the market faster. Basically, the parts come in, they're cammed, they go on a machine, they're run, and they're out the door. And it's taking the waste out of the process helps to speed that up.
Now, I know there is other companies worldwide that offer a similar service, but when you look at the investment that they have with very high-end 5-axis machine tools like DMG Mori, do you think that sets them apart from the rest?
There's a lot of companies that do a lot of the same kind of work. What really impressed me here, first of all, was Theo, who basically shut down his business. And that had to cost a tremendous amount and try to productivity, but it's important that he's trying to set the foundation here to be able to go out and manufacture faster than anybody else. With all the programs that he have on the back end, I don't know that much about, but as far as the lean part of it, it's very impressive on what they're trying to do. The people here are very engaged, they're excited about it. For a company the size of CloudNC to dedicate 3 full-time individuals to do continuous improvement is very, very impressive. I've been to companies with over 300 people that have 1 person, and that's part-time. So, you know, so the foundation is established, and I think they're going to go a long ways very quickly.
And do you personally, with your considerable background and working with many companies around the world, do you think this is the future of offering a subcontracting solution?
I think the combination with what they're doing as far as their software, incorporating that with the lean, I think they're going to be hard to contend with.